new iPhone. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a lovely day.
ఓపెన్ చేసి
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong.
Want to open it? Open
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
It's yours now.
థ్యాంక్ యూ చూడు నువ్వు చూడరా అది చూడు తీసుకున్నాగా
Man, you need to peel the bottom.
ఓకేలే ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేస్తుంది
చెయ్యి చెయ్యి
I know, Amma, when you get home, Amma.
ఏది నాకు తెలియదు.
బట్ చూపించరా ఎంత పర్ మంత్
£66 per month.
66.62 అది చూపించు అది కూడా బ్యాగ్ కూడా చూపించు అదేంటి ఫోన్ నేమ్ చెప్పు
iPhone 15 Pro Max. White, natural titanium. Is it natural?
ఇది యాపిల్ స్టోరు 15 Pro Max తీసుకున్నాము ఇది పర్ మంత్ పే చేసి 24 months ఇదిగో చూడు ఓకే గో వెనక్కి వెళ్ళి మనం తీసుకున్నది ఇదేదా ఇది మేము తీసుకున్నది చెక్ చేసి తీసుకున్నాం ఏంటట సరే ఎప్పుడో అడిగిందిలే
చూసుకుంటున్నా సరిపో ఆ స్వీట్ తీసుకొని నీకు పక్కపో అమ్మా
ఇస్తాపా ఇస్తాపా
Hi everyone. Yesterday we went to the Apple store to get the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. But as you can see, it looks very good. So you can see it's from the Apple store, so it's official. See, as you can see. It shows the details of the iPhone on the back.
How much terabyte?
This has 1 TB of we bought 1 TB of storage, which is 1 terabyte, and is equivalent to 1000 GB. For the iPhone 15 Pro Max, there are 4 colors. One is blue titanium, one is natural titanium, one is white titanium, and the last one is black titanium. For me, we got the white titanium because my mum liked the color, so we ended up just getting the white titanium. Yeah, I'll start unboxing it now. But however, along with that, we got these charging accessories for like the iPhone. We've got a wireless charger which you need to plug in to a USB adapter, and we've also got a USB adapter for this to be plugged in. iPhone. See, this is the phone. What we chose white titanium. These are the cameras. The back camera has 48 megapixels and the front camera has 12 megapixels. However, on this phone, compared to like on the iPhone 14, this can zoom up to five times on any image. Look, see, as you can see here, this is the white titanium iPhone we got. These are the cameras. However, I'll showcase them later in this video. Actions for the thing. this is this is used for replacing SIM cards on the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. This shows us like
Instructions.
this shows us this also shows us the instructions. These also show instructions, but all of these are in like different languages for like different people to understand, and so is this. This is the charging cable for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the USB-C cable. The new iPhone 15 Pro Max doesn't support the lightning cable anymore, so now it's just USB-C. However, on older versions like the iPhone 14 and lower, they support the lightning cable. Okay, now I'll unbox the iPhone. These are the back and front cameras, and this is the screen where I'll peel this off. The charging port for this is located here, and you can plug it into a USB.
మాట్లాడితే పెట్టు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎలా ఇట్లా ఎట్ట పెట్టాలని చూపించని పెట్టు దానికి. ఓకే, మాట్లాడు.
See, as you can see, these 5 times. I'll show you how to charge the iPhone. See, you need to plug this part of the cable in the charging port. Then you get this and plug it into a USB-C adapter, which we also got from the Apple Store. I'll open this. This is the USB-C adapter. We also got it from the Apple Store to help charge the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This adapter cost us £19. I'll start unboxing it now. This now. See, as you can see, this is the plug used. This is the adapter used for the USB-C cable. I'll take this out. See, I'll put it. See, in order to plug this in, you need to pull this up. However, I'm gonna plug this wire in and connect it to any power source. See, it's loading at the moment because it's brand new. We haven't turned it on yet. Yeah, we haven't set it up the iPhone yet. As you can see, the iPhone is on charging. See, these are just saying hello in like different languages for the starting up screen. If I just swipe up, you can see all these different settings that I can choose from. For now, I will choose English. This is £19. However, we also got this other wireless charger, so it saves more time than plugging in the adapter. However, this cost us £45, so it's £26 extra compared to the USB-C adapter. I'll start unboxing this. For this to work, you need to put the iPhone on this part of the charger. I'll show you how this works in a minute. As you can see, it's designed by Apple in California and contains the magnet for the charging and the charging wire for the magnet. I'll plug this in to show you guys. See, this is the magnet. It's clean. I'll also take out the wire to show you guys. See, you see this part of the wire? You need to plug it in a USB-C adapter. This is the magnet and this is the wire. I'll show you another way on how to how to charge the iPhone. See, you take the end of the cable, you put it in the socket, and you plug it into an outlet. And you put the phone on top, and it should charge up. Wrong way. See, you can tell if it's charged because it'll show green up here. See, as you can see, it's now being charged. This method is way easier than using the outlet and the charger. Like, I'll swipe up on this thing. I'll show you the phone after doing all these Apple ID settings. Thanks for watching.